Once your GMC and ads accounts are ready, it's time to activate them in your SHOPLINE store. Here's the play-by-play. 1. Head to SHOPLINE Admin, click on Channels, and click Google. 2. Connect your Google account and choose the account you used for ads and GMC. Before you start connecting, there's one important step to double-check. Make sure your domain is verified. Click Confirm Now, then go to the GMC platform to acquire the HTML tags. Select Add HTML tags or files as the verification method. Copy the HTML tag, return to your SHOPLINE store, and paste the meta tag to complete this step. Google requires domain verification to confirm you're the rightful website owner. If this step is skipped, the connection to GMC will fail even if the account exists. To do this, go to your SHOPLINE store, click on Settings, then go to Domains, and click Add a Domain. Once you've saved and verified the domain successfully, you're good to go. What this does is sync your SHOPLINE product catalog with Google. That means when you make changes to prices, titles, or inventory, it updates automatically on Google's side, so you don't have to lift a finger. That means less manual work, fewer mistakes, and a whole lot more peace of mind.